Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out the new video. Today's video is just going to be about unboxing this. I got inspired by a couple of videos out there about installing Fenders, maybe even a little bit of jealousy. And so from like John and Mitch and stuff, they installed Fenders and did a couple videos. And so here I am ordering myself some Fender flares from Bronco parts, and as you can see here, front fenders have no flares, and my rear ones over there, I've had those for about 10 years since I've had the Bronco, so therefore I am in need of some front ones, so I thought I'd just get a set and then I'd have a backup pair if I need it and go from there. So in this set here, got the whole entire 4 pieces that come with it from Broncos, and while I'm opening this up in front of you guys, I'll talk a little bit about it. I ordered this only about 2 days ago and it got here super fast, so that's awesome. Thank you, Bronco parts. So far so good. There was freight on this. Now, I live in Washington. They're in Oregon, of course. So it cost me about 50 bucks. For me, might change for you guys. And I think it's mainly because it's super light. You know, it's maybe 10 pounds, but it's the size, right? Size is probably what gave it a freight charge. Ooh, let's see what we got. Nothing like Christmas a little early. Here we go. Got one of them. Let's put this down here. There's number 2. Not sure which one's which quite yet. Maybe we'll use the table. Guess that's what the bench is for, right? And then, oh yeah, what goes behind the fender flares? And it looks like some parts in there. And then we got some more parts. They gave these like self-tapping screws in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out just to give it a little bit of an inspection. I'll also provide you guys with a link in the description for these. I am not having this sponsored by anybody. This is just me sharing information. Might provide a Amazon affiliate link here and there. But other than that, no, if Broncos wants to sponsor something, I'm not going to complain. But this is just me sharing. Let's see what we got going on. Okay. Nice, nice. This is a rear. Notice the actual indentation here for the rear. The body line looks fine. Now me personally, for right now, when I do go to install these, I'm probably not going to do anything to them as far as for paint. I'm just going to leave them the way they are. Nice and black and stylish. I know they're not really set up as far as for like a finish or anything, but they look fine, and if you get within 10 feet of my Bronco, you'll see why I'm not too worried about it right now. But you know, at some point I will worry about that if I ever decide I want to have them painted to match. Kind of like the idea of having two-tone with it. Whoa, crap! Okay, not a big enough bench. is not going as planned. Okay, it wasn't planned, so therefore I guess it's going as planned. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Supposed to be self-tapping screws. It looks like there is for here. It's a set of self-tapping screws. Black. Should be nice, so just blend right in. And then more of the padding for behind the fender flares. So, if you order from Ford Bronco parts, one, they're awesome. Definitely should order from them. Like I mentioned, it got here just a couple of days, which is great. And also, when you get your product, make sure that you open it up right away, because they have like a 48-hour window in case there's anything missing. There you go. The camera girls grabbed it for you. That's about it there. Everything's there. Great. I'm excited to be able to put these on at some point in the near future, so keep an eye out for that video. I will make sure I do a video on that as well. It's been like 10 years, so I can wait a few more days. And that's about it. Thank you for watching the unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, all the links that I'll have will be provided down below. Take care, guys. Till next time.